can I get a drink?
Sorry, he's new.
Hi, I have an appointment today.
He's new. Sorry.
Hi, excuse me, I had an appointment for today.
He's new.
Oh.
哎，对，今次。
Procurement requirements in the city of Irvine, California. Okay, so procurement is that first section.
Hello. What do I do? Excuse me, I had an appointment for today.
He's new.
Oh.
High five. Too slow.